Alright, so I've got another generic, not generic, it's a knockoff Swiss Army knife. And let's start with the back. We got corkscrew. Then we have a nail file with a little thing to clean underneath your nails. Then we have a relatively small Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. I think there used to be tweezers and toothpick, but as you can see, they are not there anymore, so I must have lost them, I guess. Okay, so can opener, bottle opener, as usual. Very small flathead screwdriver there. Scissors. Now the interesting thing about these scissors is that they have the like fingernail thing to get the scissors out. If you can see, they've got it in the middle instead of having it on one of the scissor blades like most companies do. And then last but not least, the blade. And on the blade it says stainless on one side. Oh, and it says Rostfrei or Rostfrei on the other side. And I think I had that on a different one, and I don't remember what it was. Oh, it's the... It's German. I don't know if it's a company. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so it's a German knife. Interesting. Or at least German stainless steel that they used. Alright, so that's cool. Learned something new. Or maybe it was something I knew and I forgot. Anyway, I will see you next time.